Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove an item from your Target shopping cart. Open the website at target.com, then click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or mobile phone and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the shopping cart icon. On this page, you will see the items on your cart. Click on X in the upper right-hand corner of the item you wish to remove. And now the item has been removed. That's how you remove an item from your Target shopping cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.